Hello and welcome back to the Featherweight Shop. I'm Carmon and today I'm going to show you how to replace the badge on a white featherweight. The original badge on the white featherweight was a thin foil-like material and it was just attached to the machine with some sort of adhesive. And it's pretty common to find a white featherweight with the badge missing, which just doesn't quite look right. Kind of like you're going out on the town and forgot to wear your tie. We have two options for replacing this badge. I have a couple of featherweight machine holes that will eventually go through our complete restore and repaint process. And today I'll use them to show you how to put a new badge on. But first we must prepare the surface to make sure that the new badge will adhere to the machine. The surface on a white featherweight is easily cleaned with a little bit of acetone, which is just fingernail polish remover. Now this is a very important point. You can only use acetone on the painted area on a white or a tan featherweight. You must not use acetone over the Singer logo, on the light, or on the back of the neck because acetone will remove those logos. Also, never use acetone on a black featherweight. All black featherweights have a separate clear coat on top of the decals, which the acetone will dissolve. Therefore, never use acetone, because if you do, you'll end up needing to repaint the machine. So once you've cleaned the surface, you're ready to replace the badge. A little acetone on a cotton ball will clean the surface. The Featherweight Shop has two badge options. The first is our Reproduction Badge that comes on a foil base. Carefully peel off 3/4 of the backing, align the badge, and then peel off the rest of the backing, and then press it firmly onto the machine. Our second option is our Reproduction Badge that comes on a thicker aluminum base. Like the foil base badge, you peel down 3/4 of the backing, align the badge, then peel off the rest of the backing. Pressing down firmly will contour the badge to the machine. Both options look great and take just a few minutes to make this repair. I'm Carmon from the Featherweight Shop, hoping you have a great day.